Yo, people, what's good? I hope you're staying safe. Right, I've got a triple unboxing here, courtesy of my fan from Footshop, and it's a special one. And unless you've been living under a rock, you'll be acutely aware that Adidas has reinstated the ZX series. And last year saw the 30th anniversary of the Adidas torsion system. So here we have three beautiful executions of three classic silhouettes from the ZX series. Okay, we've got the ZX9000 here with concepts, the ZX8000 here with Deadhype, the German design collective, and then we've got the ZX7000 here by Hey T, who do the most incredible tees in Asia. Right, okay, let's get down to business. Concepts, if you're not aware, one of the best sneaker stores in the world. All their collaborations are absolutely fantastic and of a high level. And just check these bad boys out. So this is the 9000 with the entire silver foil upper and little pops of red right there. And you've got the tricolor stripes, the torsion sole right there. Now look at this upper. Is it inspired by an astronaut's outfit? Is it inspired by the blanket the marathon runners get covered in post their run? I don't know, but these just look hard. Yo, absolutely killer. Then this one's a real special one because Deadhype, as I said, is a German design collective, right? And Adidas is obviously a German company. So these bad boys are so wicked. Look at that purple lilac upper. These are absolutely gorgeous, equally as neck snapping for different reasons. There's no stripes here. Instead, you have butter soft leather, full grain butter soft leather. And then here you have brushed suede. And then you have a canvas right here on the vamp. Look at that. The tonal, yo, these are so clean. And then finally, to this version of the ZX7000, which for me, you know, is one of the most beautiful versions of a ZX7000 I've ever seen. And there's certain details here which elevate them to the maximum. Just look at what's going on the vamp here, right? This is a brand new, unique feature. You know, you don't get that overlay on the vamp normally on the 7000, but look at the colors. You got the see-through toe piece. You got the laces which fade up. I mean, these look absolutely so good, you'd want to eat them. And look at that detail on the tongue label. I have to say, the AZX series has been a success in my book. Every one of these executions is a hard look indeed. And yo, my Footshop fam, stocking these, they're going quick. So, you know, don't sleep, all right? There's some future ones coming. I'm so amped. I've heard what is in store for the rest of the AZX series, and I have to say, yo, you haven't seen nothing yet. Anyway, yo, Footshop fam, thank you very much once again. You peeps, stay safe, all right? One love.